nearly 1 week in this satyagrah's hand. Okay, so what happened? The British government gave order. The British government gave the order to Garhwal regiment to carry out what? Open firing on the satyagrahs, but Chandra Singh Thakur, an officer of Garhwal regiment, refused to open fire. Now there was one officer named as Chandra Singh Thakur, and he had what? He had not agreed to what? To make an open fire on the satyagrahs. So what happened? He was court-martialed and was given severe punishment. That officer was court-martialed and the British had given him a severe punishment. The British government found itself in a difficult situation due to satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi. Now the British government came to know that this satyagraha has been launched by whom? Mahatma Gandhi. On 4th May 1930, Gandhiji was arrested. On the 4th May, British government, the British people, officers, they had arrested whom? Mahatma Gandhi. Suppressive measures were undertaken all over the country. There was protest all over the country due to the arrest of Mahatma Gandhi. When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested at that time, many measures were taken all over the country, and there were many protests also. What? Because the Gandhiji was what? Arrested. So they had made many protests. Okay. So let us start with the next topic, that is Solapur Satyagraha. Now let us see what happened here. So the mill worker were on the forefront in the Solapur Satyagraha. Now here who has done this Satyagraha? The mill workers. Okay. On 6th May 1930, Hartal was observed in Solapur. In Solapur there was Hartal. When? On 6th May 1930. A huge procession was organized in Solapur. The district collector gave order of firing on the procession. Now a huge procession was there when this Hartal was observed, and the district collector had given order to fire on this procession. Many volunteers along with Shankar Shivdare died in the firing. Now many volunteers who were in this procession along with Shankar Shivdare died in the firing. And when the collector gave the decision to have an open fire on the procession, at that time many people, volunteers also, and the person Shankar Shivdare, he also died in that firing. As a result, people started attacking police stations, railway stations, courts, municipal buildings, etc. Now as the people was what? They were enraged. They were in very anger. So what they did? They started an attack on what? They started attacking on police station, railway station, all whatever it was, whatever the offices which were in the government's hand, they started attacking that all offices. In that, police station was there, railway station was there, court was there, municipal buildings were there. Okay, so government decided martial law and the agitation was suppressed. Now the government also what? They also had made a law and they were suppressing the people who were having the attacks on the government offices. Those who took lead in this movement, such as Mallappa Dhanshetty, Sri Krishna Sardar, Qurban Hussain and Jagannath Shinde, were hanged to death. Now these 4 people, they were what? They were the main leaders while attacking this police station and all. So these 4 leaders were what? Hanged to death. First Mallappa Dhanshetty, Sri Krishna Sardar, Qurban Hussain and Jagannath Shinde. Okay. Let us start with the next Satyagraha, that is Dharasana Satyagraha. The Satyagraha at Dharasana in Gujarat was led by Sarojini Naidu. Now this was led by whom? Sarojini Naidu. The police lathi charged on the Satyagrahis who came forward to break the Salt Act. The police, what they did? They had put a lathi charge on the people who had break the law of Salt Act. The satyagraha silently tolerated the blows of the lathi. Now the people, the satyagrahis, they had what? They had silently taken the blows of the lathi. When they were taken away for medical aid, another batch of satyagrahas came forward to replace them. Now the people who was bitten by the lathis, when they were taken for medical treatment, at that time in place of them the another satyagrahas were there for this act. Okay, this continued endlessly, and this was what continued endlessly. In Maharashtra, salt satyagraha took place at Wadala, Malvan and Shiroda. Now in Maharashtra also the salt act was continued, and satyagraha took place where? In Wadala, Malvan and Shiroda. Okay, where there were no salt pans, the forest laws were broken. Where there were no salt pans, at that time the forest laws were broken. There were jungle satyagrahas at Bilashi. Now this forest laws, so jungle satyagrahas at Bilashi, Sangamner, Kalyavan, Chirnar and Pushud in Maharashtra. The tribal people also took part in the satyagraha in large number. So this forest satyagraha, forest laws were broken. So many of the people had taken part in that thing also. Okay. And the tribal people has also taken part in this satyagraha. Okay. So the next topic that we will continue afterwards. I hope you have understood till here. I request you all just read the lesson once more. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.